Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a jumbo braid using Marley hair. So I'm just starting out by taking all the twists in the front part of my hair. I actually did this on twists. And there's a secret to this hairstyle. The secret is that I didn't take out all the twists. I only took out the twist at the front part. So the back is still twisted up, as you'll see. Yeah, so we're just going to use the front part to cover this up. Okay, so you'll see how I do this later on. I'm just taking a hair tie, and I'm going to tie the back part of my hair, the part which I've already twisted. And I'm just trying to unravel some of the twists from the front. So I'm just making a middle part. You can do a side part if you want, but then I found this more easy since I didn't want to stress myself out. But then it looks good as a side part as well. And make sure that the line is really straight. So as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that the line is straight as possible. Okay, so I've divided the front part into two sections, as you can see, and this is going to help me get it as flat as possible because I didn't actually stretch my hair enough. So this is the other method that I planned on doing. So I'm just spritzing some water all around, and I'm taking my Ecostyler gel, and then I'm just going to put this all over, around and everywhere. And you can use as much as you want, but then I try not to use too much because it leaves a lot of residue. Okay, so we're done with that part. Now it's left with the top part again. So I'm still trying to make sure that my line is straight enough. Okay, so I'm trying to comb out the roots of my hair, as you can see. Then I'm taking more gel, and I'm just trying to slick the other section of my hair as well. More gel. Okay, so I'm taking a brush, and I'm now trying to brush everything back in place. Okay, so I'm done, and I tied it all at the back, as you can see. So this is my Marley hair. It's actually been used before, so this can tell you how economical Marley hair is. You can use it over and over again for different things. So I just use a rubber band, and I'm trying to now tie it to the back part of my hair. So you have to make sure that the Marley hair covers the back of your hair. So you try and put it over the bun that you've made. And I'm just taking a single strand, and I'm trying to wind it around my hair. Okay, so we're done. So I'm just taking a bobby pin to try and secure everything in place. Mind you, this hairstyle can also be done with Ghanaian hair, but then your hair has to be really stretched before it looks good. Since my hair wasn't that stretched, I decided to use Marley hair. So now I'm just braiding it all the way down. I'm trying to make sure my bobby pin is still in place. Okay, so I'm done braiding it. So you just check to make sure that everything is how you want it to be. And then now I'm taking a gold string. This is optional. It just makes it look a bit more nice or elegant or whatever you call it. So you just wind it around. You can either crisscross it, whatever you think looks good. And then when I get to the bottom part, I like to try and wind it over and over again. You'll see what I'm talking about later on in the video. Okay, so I'm done. But then as you can see, the ends are looking a bit frizzy. So I have a flexi rod and I'm just winding the ends up in the flexi rod. And later on, I'll put it in hot water. But for now, we're trying to slick them edges. So I have Gorilla Snot Gel and I'm just trying to make sure that the front looks laid. I'm almost done with the other side. Okay, so now I have some mousse and we're going to put this all over. Okay, so now I'm just trying to relay my edges to make sure that they're how I want them to be. Okay, so now I have a scarf. I've tied everything up and now we're going to put the ends in hot water. It was really hot. So you just take a towel and try and dab it all. Okay, so now I waited for like an hour and now I'm taking off the scarf so you can see how flat everything is. And now we're taking off the flexi rod. Okay, so see how curly it ended up. Yep. So that's how it is, and that's how the side looks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.